TopGolf is well on its way to completion. As you can see, they have all the columns. All the netting is being installed in order to capture all those balls that are going to be hit out of this building. Let's see if we can get a closer look at the back side where all the golfers will be. If you look really closely, see right there, there's some workers installing the fencing. Not a ton of work has been done on the backside since the last time I was here. Most of it is in these columns and netting. If I zoom in here, you can see there's a little bit of progress, but none of the seating or actual decor has been installed yet. Front, they'll have a pro shop, probably a restaurant of some sort, and then you'll hit from here back there. You can see the logo on the front of the building there on the corner.